Mythic Rare here. Thank you to all my A1 Day 1 subscribers. For anybody new or just passing through, welcome. So like always, as we continue the year of Margaret Morales, I've been catching these restocks. Yes, I have Ainefel, and then it's a 55.8 by 70.7 centimeter square canvas. It has 57 colors, including 3 Aurora Borealis and 3 Fairy Dust diamonds. Total 63,616 diamonds. And then, of course, if you just want to skip to the good stuff, timestamps will be in the description box below. So we have our how-to guide along with our kit contents. You will see these repeated in the thank you pamphlet once we get inside the box. And then, of course, to better organize Stash Mountain, we have the schematic right there as well. So this cover is a little bit split. Like pretty much there's been a stretch like week after week where Diamond Art Club has been restocking the Margarets, and they seem to be going so fast that like I don't even get the email saying, hey, like this thing is like in stock. Like I just randomly check it like 4, sometimes 5 in the morning, see that it's been restocked, swipe right on it, and then like go back to bed. It's literally one of those. If you see it and it's there, get it, and then like if it's not there, oh well. So without further ado, plastic warning. Also, we are not a child-friendly channel because we use sharp things to open things. But yes, I have been finding that my boxes are in better condition if I keep the plastic wrap on, so I will try to keep that on as much as possible. And then, as always, do what makes you sparkle, Diamond Art Club. I know, I always like want to try and get the thumbnail. I mean, you can't blame me for trying to get a thumbnail. Okay, so now that that's got, here's our toolkit. We will get to that in a second. Ah, yes, the thank you pamphlet. So with every single kit from Diamond Art Club, you are going to get one of these. And in here, they have a trading card. So this one is bronze. It is the most common color. And if you get the right combination of these, you can get gift cards. You could get extra goodies, or even a custom diamond painting if you get the right number of them. All the colors. So there is that. There is their socials. We have tips and tricks, and then you can scan that, join their Facebook group. We have kit contents once again. And then if you want to build Stash Mountain because you're brand new to the diamond painting game, well, there you go. You got some coupon codes. And then there's that how-to guide repeated from the back of the box, just in case your box is not within arm's reach. So right here we have our sticker book for Ainefel. Here is the logbook sticker. And yes, I will just keep on doing it until I see it. But Diamond Art Club, if you could please include the total number of diamonds on the logbook sticker. Thank you. But you can put your start and end date. And then all of this right here is a sticker as well. So here's our beautiful color palette. We have all of our specials right here, and then sometimes the browns and the purples and grays are a little bit lacking, so Diamond Art Club will make those colors at their own diamond facility. Yeah, like they have their own factory that makes their diamonds. So in case you're wondering, like, what is that? I've never seen that, and I've cross-stitched before. Well, there you go. That explains our 6,000 code. And so when we do eventually get to that canvas, we want to look for a northwest pointing arrow, an equal sign, and the white with the dot in the center. So, in case you are brand new to Diamond Art Club, and I mean veterans, like, y'all probably know the drill, just like skip ahead, it's fine. But in here, you're going to have a twist and pick pen. Depending on the age of the kit, you may have a thing filled with putty. This is translucent, meaning it's got clear wax. So then if we just continue to twist, oh, yep, there it goes. Delayed reaction. Yep, delayed reaction. There it is. There we go. Obviously, you'll probably want to scrape some of that off, but there's your putty. This is your four-placer. And then we have our bag full of baggies, Bagception. Inside of this stackable tray, hence the lip right here and then the lip on the underside, we have a clear wax refill, we have some pink heart-shaped wax, and we also have a 7-placer. The 4-placer is pre-installed on the one end of the pen so that you can place either 4 or 7 diamonds at a time and get to your finished product just a little bit faster. One moment, please. So, as always, plastic warning, mind your earbuds. Oh, other side. Yeah, it's totally been a minute since I've unboxed a canvas. You know, I know that it's named Ainefel, but I almost want to call it Titania, the ruler of the fairies. But there she is, gorgeous pinks and purples and like pale spring green. Oh, yeah, I have no idea why I didn't because she was available for a while. I never picked her up before. Like, I don't understand why I didn't, but like actually seeing her in person, Oh man, like I love the colors. They're all like springtime Easter colors. I feel like I just absolutely need like need this type of color palette right now, because if I look outside my window, it is clearly stick season, meaning there is no snow on the ground. It's all just like dead leaves, dead shrubbery. Like there is no spring green up yet. So it's very much brown outside, and when it's like sunny and warm, it just like makes me yearn for spring. So I am just like absolutely digging this color story. Okay, so we are gonna look for the special drills. We're looking again for the up arrow, the equal sign, and then this white one with a dot. As we go along on the canvas, we can see that it is licensed. We have a 10% off discount code along with social media. We have Oopsie insurance. Edges are scalloped and poked. And then we have our slogan up at the top, do what makes you sparkle, along with another legend right there. Some folks have been saying that the glue on Diamond Art Club has been kind of weak. I would say that that's actually pretty okay glue. And in case you're wondering what's up with these gray lines over top the cover, that's because you can actually split the cover. If I can get the light to like go in the right, there we go. But you can see you can like split that cover. You can rip it into sections, and then that way you don't have to use like anything additional really. But I mean, when you got the kit, you got the kit. You can do whatever it is you want. You can just like rip it off, put release paper. Hey. So it's actually pretty apparent that like in the white we're going to see like the fairy dust. So that means her dress is going to be very translucent. And then the equal sign is like right here in her wings. And same with the northwest arrow. It's like all in the veins of her wings. That's cool. And then that white fairy dust is all just like scattered throughout. Wait, is that our actual background? Is that color? A big chunk of it? Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Kind of almost like she stepped out of the clouds, or like, you know how in like the early spring, late winter, when you get like a really cool, when you've like had rain, but then like the next day it's supposed to be warm, so like the mist and the dew, it like creates fog. It's like she stepped out of a fog cloud. So she is actually really cool. She wasn't like a need to have this now kit, but certainly glad that I picked her up. For those of you who are going to be leaving us, because I understand the drills are not everybody's thing, I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. And then if you want to see the drills, please stay tuned. Also, mind those earbuds one more time. 3756. Ooh, I didn't realize that this was one of the kits that started underneath their older scheme, and this one was kind of like a hybrid, like halfway through. So I didn't even show you like all of the specials. So that purple is going to be up in her hair? Wow. And of course, a lot of Z3865 because it's our background color. Ooh, dusty lavender. Love it. I'm trying not to hit you with glare, y'all. But if I am, my apologies. All right, so that's our first ribbon down. Oh, the purples. Oh yeah, that's right. 106. Oh, that is so pretty. The 6010. Ooh. That's one of those pale sages that goes in her wings. Actually, yeah, this is the Northwest arrow right there. Eight 3803, 818, 3823. Ooh, 333. That purple. Oh, 128. And then Z772. Okay, that is it. I hope that you enjoyed the video, and then don't forget to hit like, subscribe, comment. It lets me know that I'm doing right as a creator. And I hope to see you all later. Bye.